Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And kasalukuyan na tayong nagpapakulo ng atay ng baboy at laman ng baboy sa isang aromatic na water dahil tayo ay gagawa ng dinakdakan. Ang dinakdakan actually has many version. So, depende siya kung saang lugar siya nanggaling or kung saang lugar siya ginawa. Depende rin siya kung anong manner of cooking ang ginawa sa kanya and also yung ingredient na nilagay doon sa pagkain. So, madaming versions. However, very basic and most likely nagre-resemble lang din naman yung mga common or main ingredients na nilalagay. Like say for example, itong ginagawa nating recipe, ito yung kinalakhan kong dinakdakan dito sa Pangasinan. So I am an Ilocano at ang kinalakhan kong dinakdakan is plainly made out of boiled na liver, meat, at sometimes naglalagay din sila ng intestines. So it's plainly boiled intestines, pork meat and pork liver, and then it is seasoned with your vinegar, salt and pepper, and slices of onions. So yun yung basic na dinakdakan na gagawin natin for today. So as you can see, ini-slice lang natin siya ng maninipis kasi ito yung kinalakhan ko nga na version ng dinakdakan. Now in Abra, okay, meron silang tinatawag naman na Warek-Warek or Warek-Warek. Yun naman yung other version ng dinakdakan na kung saan nilalagyan siya ng utak ng baboy. So we also have that kind of version here in Pangasinan. However, it's plainly called as dinakdakan as well. But in Abra, they call it Warek-Warek or Warek-Warek kasi nga meron siyang brain or added na utak ng baboy. Meron din yung iba, aside from plainly boiling yung liver, yung meat o yung mascara o yung tenga ng mga baboy, after nilang maboil, grill nila. Okay, so greeny grill, so nagkakaroon siya ng char marks, nagkakaroon siya ng smoky flavor, which they call it Insarabasab naman. So, the word Insarabasab, which came from the word Insarab, which means to fire grill or char grill. Isarab means to grill it on direct fire or in charcoal. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang dinakdakan, ang Insarabasab, at ang Warek-Warek sometimes also resembles yung basic na sisig natin. Because the traditional sisig, the most common sisig or the old-fashioned sisig is basically plainly boiled na mascara ng baboy and then thinly sliced and then seasoned with vinegar, salt, and pepper only. And that's it. That's the old-fashioned, the traditional, and the most basic form of sisig. And then, yung Insarabasab can also be resembled to what we call grilled sisig. So yun na yung naging next version ng ating traditional na sisig, which is basically popularized by Aling Losing Sisig in Pampanga. So basically, Aling Losing Sisig is an accidental charred grilled na traditional sisig. So that's the origin of the grilled sisig, which is commonly and still well known up to this time. So yung Aling Losing Sisig or the charred grilled sisig or the grilled sisig, basically yun yung sisig na wala siyang itlog. Okay? And then later on, na-introduce yung Sizzling sisig. That is the Aling Losing Sisig version, which is being served on a sizzling plate. Meron din yung other forms ng dinakdakan na in the absence of the pork brain o yung utak ng baboy, maaari ka ding maglagay ng mayonnaise. So, meron din ganong version ng dinakdakan. So, kung titignan natin, most likely magkakapareho yung common na ingredient, yung common na seasoning which is yung vinegar, salt, and pepper, and then lahat yan may onions. Sometimes, in the absence of the vinegar, naglalagay din tayo ng calamansi or lemon juice as a substitute for the vinegar to have that tangy taste doon sa ating dinakdakan or sa ating sisig. The only common difference ng sisig at saka ng dinakdakan is yung dinakdakan most likely it's thin slices at medyo pahaba siya, while for sisig it's most likely chopped. For dinakdakan also, it's plainly cold, so para siyang salad, while nowadays yung sisig is most likely hot because it is being served on a sizzling plate. Ayan, so we are now currently slicing our pork liver. So same as true with our pork meat at sometimes yung pork intestines, kailangang maninipis din yung pagkakakat niya. At the same time, we have also to slice thinly yung ating onions. So pwede ka ritong gumamit ng white onion o kaya ng red onions. Siyempre, mas matamis lang yung white onions and of course yung red onion is medyo mas matapang yung kanyang flavor. And so right after nating ma-slice lahat ng ating mga ingredients, all we have to do is gather everything, gather all our ingredients in a bowl. And all we have to do now is to add our aromatics or seasonings. So maglalagay tayo ng cracked black pepper, salt, and vinegar. Now, remember, since binoil natin to kanina sa isang aromatic na water, we also have to control our seasoning. So, control lang natin yung salt kasi naglagay na tayo ng salt kanina upon boiling. For this recipe, gagamit tayo ng cane vinegar. So, wala namang problema kung gagamit tayo ng white vinegar or any other forms of vinegar. And all we need to do is toss everything. Mix it properly para mag-incorporate and all the flavors will marry together or will come together. And we're almost good. So once na-toss or na-mix mo na ng maayos yung ating mga ingredients, syempre hindi naman bawal tikman para makapag-adjust tayo ng ating mga seasonings, then you're good to go. This is your basic na dinakdakan. Again, there are so many versions of it. Pwede kang maglagay ng pork brains, pwede mong i-grill bago mo i-chop, pwede siyang ilagay sa sizzling plate, walang problema. That's your dinakdakan in its many forms. Mangan!
And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!